Welcome back, guys, to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with all my hair care tips and natural recipes. For this month's hair juice, it's all about ashwagandha. For those who don't know, ashwagandha holds powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidants that aid in scalp health. So if you guys deal with really severe dandruff, even minor dandruff, and eczema, this is great for you. Ashwagandha is filled with fatty acids, glucose, potassium, and amino acids to stimulate the production of melanin. It's very, very key for those who are dealing with postpartum hair loss. This will help to stop it. Ashwagandha can improve scalp circulation while keeping your hair strong and encouraging hair growth. For this recipe, I'm using 2 tablespoons. You can also use ashwagandha powder if you cannot get it in the root form. All the ingredients in this hair juice is used to help to produce new growth and help to maintain our old growth, keeping the hair strong, long, and shiny, and soft, and of course, healthy. If you cannot get every single ingredient for this recipe, you can always use dry ingredients. You don't have to use the fresh, or you can also swipe it out for something else, or you can just cut back. But the main part for me is the ashwagandha. This is about 5 cups of water. I'm going to add all my ingredients in, give it a good stir. The stove is set to low heat because you want it to steep. We don't want it to boil. And make sure you keep an eye on it because these are gentle herbs. We don't want to ruin them. We just want to get all those benefits out in this water. So last minute, I added the aloe vera leaves to the mixture. I was already doing my hair and I was doing a aloe vera pre-poo, and I thought to myself, why waste the leaves? I should just add it to the mixture for some added benefits. So after about 2 hours and I believe 23 minutes to be exact, this is the mixture. And let me tell you, every hair juice I make, the aroma will fill up your house and it will just give off a beautiful scent. It smells so good. But I allow this to cool down for about 2 hours, and then I strain the mixture and I separate them into 2. So the first one is my mason jar. The mason jar, I use this after I'm finished cleansing and deep conditioning my hair. I pour this all over. I do not rinse it out. I also pour the remaining liquid into my spray bottle, and I use this when I am styling my hair. Okay, so I'm doing a wash and go. I already shampooed, deep conditioned. Once I rinse out my deep conditioner with cool to cold water, I apply my ashwagandha hair juice to it. I don't rinse it out. I leave it soaking wet. And then I just apply a leave-in conditioner. I'm doing a wash and go right now, so I just use the Flora and Curl. I'll post a photo. And while I'm styling my hair, if it gets a little bit dry, I apply more of the ashwagandha hair juice to it. I don't rinse it out. I never rinse it out. The stuff is too good to rinse out. So it's almost like a leave-in. So I'm just gonna show you how I use it as I'm doing my wash and go. I already have the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I'm just going to show you how I apply it. Hair juice, and I love to spray mostly my scalp as well, and then of course throughout the whole hair. And then I'm gonna pump some of my hair lotion. So for this wash and go, I'm using my Ashwagandha hair juice, a leave-in conditioner, a hair lotion, and then a gel for some extra hold. And this is the gel that I'm applying right now. And my hair is fairly wet. I separate, and shingle. There we go. And of course, I'm going to continue with the other side, but you can see a big difference. Dry hair, well, it's not dry, it's a little damp, but you can see a difference. And that is it. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.